For many Fijian mothers, the dream of higher education is often put aside for the sake of family and responsibilities. But at the University of the South Pacific's graduation, one story reminded us that perseverance can break through even the heaviest challenges. For Sera Domoni Baleiwai, the journey of balancing motherhood, teaching, and higher education is one that mirrors the struggles of countless women in Fiji. Rangoneliwa has more.
At 43 years of age, after 19 years of teaching and raising 4 children, Sera Domoni Baleiwai finally walked across the stage with a Bachelor of Arts, double majoring in education and psychology.
I had 4 kids, as I had mentioned earlier. The eldest is 14 years old, normal delivery, and the 3 younger siblings, I had 3 consecutive cesarean births in the span of 6 years. So my last is 6 years old. I gave birth to him in 2018. In 2019, I had a mild stroke, which I almost gave up. But I thank God. I know that God has a plan for me. And I stood up. Today, I'm so grateful that I can be a testimony to the rest of the teachers who are fighting the battle of motherhood, battle of studying, and family issues.
Her journey was never easy. After delivering 4 children, 3 by consecutive cesarean sections, she suffered a stroke in 2019. But with determination and the support of her family, Sera pushed through, and on graduation day, she dedicated her achievement to her father, her husband, and her children, whom she calls the greatest strength.
I'd like to dedicate my certificate to my dad, first and foremost. He's been the source of empowerment during my dark days, moments darker than midnight, survived because of his counseling, because of his faith in God. That has built me and empowered me to be a woman of faith and to stand firm for my family. There are moments when I shed tears, moments that I'm almost given up. But I have faith in God. So I dedicate this to my dad, Pastor Petaya Nabukambuka. And secondly, to my husband, Master Lukanatini, the head of school of Bunda Sanatan Primary School. He's also a very strong man. Although there were moments darker than midnight, but we stood together. And also my kids.
Her message to others is simple but powerful, which was, challenges will always be there, but staying focused on your dreams will carry you through.
Never give up in life. Stay focused on your dream.
Her graduation is more than a personal milestone. It is a reminder that determination can overcome even the hardest setbacks. Rangoneliwa, Fiji One News.